Do you know how to compare two different files to spot the difference? If you don't, today in the over-the-wire Bandit level 17 we will see how to do it. First step is to access the documents directory. Last time we have created the Bandit 17 private key. Let's use it to access the remote machine. Let's use SSH bandit 17 at bandit.labs.overthewire.org -p2220 -i, and let's specify the private key bandit 17.private key. Let's enter. Now that we're inside, let's use ls. And like you can see, we have a password.new file and also a password.old file. So we have two files. Let's try to find the difference between them. To do so, we will use the diff command. Then let's specify the password.old file and then the password.new. And let's enter. Password preceded by the right arrow is the one that we are looking for. So let's copy it. Now let's exit. Let's edit the bandits.md file and let's go to the end and add the new user, bandit18, and paste the password. Save and exit. If you learned something new, consider a like, maybe a comment or a follow. See ya!